Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuses, relays for left and right, front, rear turn signal are located, left, right turn signal, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the left and right turn signal, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban right here. Now both of these models are built on the same platform. The main difference, the Tahoe is a little bit shorter than the Suburban. So guys, it should apply to both models. And quick advice, there is 5 hidden fuse boxes all over that SUV. Most owners do not know where they're located. That's okay guys. That's why we made a special video to help you out. It's on our YouTube channel called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What we need to do first, open the hood. We got super lucky because we'll work in fuse box that's easy to access on the driver's side. So if you look here on the driver's side, remove that cover. You're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here we will need to check multiple things. Let's zoom in first. What do we need to check? First we're going to check guys, okay, relay 51. We're talking about that relay right here. That will be the one that you will need to check. After that guys, we need to check fuse number 34, that 10 fuse right here. Also you will guys need to check fuse number 42 and 43, these fuses right here. And after that you need to check fuse number 49. 49, we're talking about this 10 fuse here. Check all these fuses. There is limited information, but most likely the left and the right turn signal fuses and relays will be one of those that you will need to check. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.